MicroStrategy has hit lows of 356 per share. Check this out, guys. It is not looking good, and it's super simple, right? The price action in Bitcoin has been bearish during today's pre-market session, meaning that Bitcoin went from highs of, I think it was 96 and 97,000 from kind of overnight into today's open and showing this strong descending pattern. It's not rocket science. The more Bitcoin falls, the more that MicroStrategy will fall as well. If Bitcoin begins to recover, MicroStrategy will begin to recover. I also want to make sure that you were aware of previous lows for MicroStrategy. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, you could see that last week's lows were 338 were the lows that we made. So if you think that 350 is cheap, just know that MicroStrategy can get so much cheaper. And I really think that we're just getting started. This thing has a previous support of 338. If we break below that, we're going to go back to retest 320, and then from 320, 300, and then from there, what do you think? 275? That is really where I would say that if Bitcoin drops below 90,000, for all of you MicroStrategy bag holders, I hope that you hold yourself accountable and just, some of you guys might even be in the green, right? Because a lot of you guys, according to the comments, you guys said that you guys purchased down here. I hope that you weren't one of the idiots that purchased at $500 per share. I mean, again, all MicroStrategy does, its super unique and innovative strategy is that it buys Bitcoin. Why, if you're so bullish on Bitcoin, why wouldn't you just buy Bitcoin, the asset itself? Because the exposure is 1-for-1. Unfortunately, if you look at MicroStrategy as of right now, I mean, it's absolutely insane. The software company itself is not even growing or developing. And if you look at what it's trading at for its PE ratio, look at that, 200x. I mean, it's absolutely insane. If you look at the performance in the past 5 years, you can see that it's up 2,400%. Again, a glorified pump and dump. And I'm not here to say that today it has to crash because it's not about MicroStrategy. I really don't believe it is. I really believe it's all based off of Bitcoin's and Bitcoin's ability to be able to hold above 90,000. I'm going to make this very clear. If Bitcoin falls below 90,000, get ready for one of the biggest drops you have ever seen on MicroStrategy. And it's that simple. I will short the living life out of MicroStrategy if price action supports it. If it begins to show signs of a support and begins to recover, and I see that Bitcoin is beginning to recover, then at that point, it makes sense to go long for a day trade. I would not carry any of these positions overnight because MicroStrategy is an extremely risky stock. I don't care if you're a bull. I don't care if you're a bear. Again, I would close them out day by day. It's too risky of a stock, and at least for my tolerance, it wouldn't be something that I would want to open myself to. So again, I'll make sure that I keep you guys posted. I'm about to trade MicroStrategy live with our LPP team, and if you want to tune on in, it's going to be the second link in the description down below. To join LPP, you get access to the A to Z video lesson library designed for complete beginners, and you also get access to our daily live trading sessions, meaning that you get to see every trade I take during these sessions. If you're tired of missing out, you can join for as little as $1 a day, and it's the first link in the description second link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Hope that a thumbs up. Best of luck to you guys, and hopefully you do your part in taking profits when it makes sense. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.